So we've been doing just flashlights. I don't know. You get one flashlight, everybody wants to send you flashlights. But that's okay, because here, winter's coming. We're into fall. It gets dark really early, and having lights, super awesome. So today we're looking at a new LuminTop. This is the BR1 440 Lumen senior? I don't know. Sensor. It says senior on there, but sensor headlamp. Yeah. So I guess it senses hand movement, right? You guys can kind of see some of the specs right there. If you're interested at all, just kind of read them, love them, do whatever you need to them. And heat emission aluminum. So that's cool. And you get a little QR for something. So we're going to take a look at this. On the website, it doesn't show much. It just says it's about $26 US, which is not a bad price, right? So we'll take a look at what comes in the box. And then tonight, when it gets dark, we're going to go out in the backyard and see how bright this thing gets. Yeah. All right, guys. So this is the box. You've seen it. You've loved it. You've felt it. And we're gonna open it because supposedly that's what you're here for, right? So this is what you get. This is what you get. Not doing it justice. Here we go. Now, what's cool? It comes. That's empty. Yes, it comes in a little box. I love that. And LuminTop, they have this little bunny rabbit thing going on, which is super cool. I love the little bunny. I like it. So that you can keep it in this, put it in your safety drawer, throw it in your toolkit, throw it in your car, put it in a glove box, whatever you feel, right? So you do get in here, that's a little rolled up. Oh my gosh, look at that. They really just rolled that thing right up. USB-C to USB-A. I'm guessing it's not hugely big, but it's big enough. You get a little tiny manual, so warranty card, and then of course performance, click once. I guess you just click the top one to turn it on, and then you click the side ones to go through the different sensor modes, and then you push it again to turn it off. Seems reasonable. You guys can possibly see that right there, right? If you want to pause it, look at it, love it. I don't know, right? Okay, that's cool. Keep that in here because you know for sure at some point you're going to need that, and you won't have any idea where it went. And then, last but not least, throw that over there. Not only is it a good-looking headlamp, right, but it is stylish. It is stylish for sure. That's right. You're entering the competition with style for sure. And I'm thinking that's probably too tight. Maybe. Well, maybe not. Maybe. Probably a little snug, but oh, it tilts too, right? See that? It's got a little tilty guy on it. Oh, I like that. Yes, and then there's a button up top. There it is. Boom. Okay, and then you point it down if you need to. My Focus is having all kinds of issues with the bright light, so we're just gonna turn it there. There we go. But that's good. And then does it have a side one? Take it off. I think they said it had a side button. I don't think so. So it has two buttons on the top. So it has a. Does it have two buttons? Off and on. And then the other one, I don't know what it does. Anything? I don't know what it does. I'm gonna have to read the manual. I don't like. Maybe that's just. Is that like a battery button? Because you click on it and you see the battery indicator flash, right? Like what is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six flashes. What does the 6 flashes mean? I thought it said click something on the side. There's nothing on the side. There is nothing on the side. Not that I can see. Now, just so you guys know, I'll turn that off. Oh, wait. Aha, wait. So, completely blind. Okay, so if you turn this on, yes, you got one light. You guys see one light. Just it's one light. And then There. So if you turn it on quickly, right? So you got to do it fast, because if not, it's like, oh, you turned it on, you turned it off again. But you can just, you light up all the lights. So there's a bunch of lights on here. I don't want to put it right in the camera. So there's three lights, right? A main light, a light. So when you just turn it on, you get the center light, and then you get center light brighter, and then you get center light with the two side lights. Oh, and then you can just get the two side lights, and those two side lights have different brightness. Oh, right in the eyes. No, it's got some brightness to it for sure. I'll put it down here. Maybe you guys can see, right? Bright, brighter, brighter, dimmer, off. Well, not even off, dimmest. So it kind of goes bright, 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 based on what lights and how many it turns on. So 1, 2, 3 is the brightest. Then it dims down a bit, and it goes to spot, more, little bigger, and then it gets wider and wider and wider, right? But less power. Okay, well, I'm down. I can't see. We're gonna go outside when it's dark and try it out, because this one's cool. I like this. I like headlamps. Headlamps are neat. All right, let's go outside. Okay, well, I don't even know if you guys can see me right now. It's dark out, but I've got my light on. There is the normal light back here, which is good. We're gonna start some recording, hopefully. And I think, like I said, I think it's just the top. Yeah, there we go. So you get an idea of how bright this is, and that's on like starter bright, right? Starter brights. We'll kind of get past, because this light maybe there, that goes on. So we'll get back here into the darkness, and you can kind of see here. If I tap this, it'll probably go off. So we go tap, bright, brighter, then dimmer and dim. This is like on, but like not really, and then off. So on. That's its brightest. Okay, you guys can probably see, like that's got a nice wide throw to it. I'll tilt that down, right? You guys can probably see that better over there. Like it's a nice wide throw, and because you're, just kind of tracking your head, that's okay. I'm always like, I wonder if there's, some kind of weird animal gonna come out. But that's its bright. But that's good and bright. Look, see the reflection of my scooter. Yep. Nothing wrong with that. Like I said, you guys see up there in the trees, right? It's a very wide light at this point, very wide. So, I think as far as headlamp goes, it's pretty good. It's going to definitely light up anything that you kind of need, right? Just kind of through there, right? You can kind of see where the light's going based on where my head's turning. Yeah, that's all right. These aren't overly expensive, so if you're looking for a nice light to be able to just, throw it in your motorcycle, throw it in your car, have it in the house, whatever, take it camping. I think it's pretty good for sure. All right, guys, that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the bell. I'll put the links down below to where you can pick this up, and that's it. All right, guys, I gotta go test out some more flashlights. Cool. Later.